Greetings. Today we are going to sketching graph of trigonometric function for sin x graph. But first, we must know the function for sin x. Okay, A is amplitude for the function, x for represent x-axis in order of, we call it as angle, and B is y-intercept for the graph. Okay, to sketch as y equals to sin x, we must know how to sketch the basic graph of sin x. And from the basic graph, we can expand the graph based on the trigonometric function given. Okay, first, alright, okay, sketch y-axis and x-axis and sketch one complete circle of sin x, graph sin x, and at the end of one complete circle, okay, sketch the boundary line. Okay, and then okay, pi and 2 pi, and the amplitude 1, -1. Okay, finish. Sketch the basic graph of sin x. Okay, step 1, from the basic graph, we move to how to sketch the another function, step 2, step 3, or step 4, and so on. Okay, based on basic graph. Okay, this is the easier part. Okay, so for all the question from step 1 to step 7, we can sketch all the function based on the basic graph. Okay, step 2, alright, y equals to -3 sin x. What I have just told you, okay, we must sketch from the basic graph, paste. Okay, now you get the basic graph. Okay, from the basic graph, we can expand to the question that we want. Okay, so we already sketch graph for sin x, and then 3 amplitude is 3, so we can erase the value of 1, so we replace with 3 and -3. Okay, finish. Sin x, amplitude 3, and then now negative brings meaning, okay, positive line will become negative line, and negative line will become positive line, and then we can erase, okay, the positive. Now again, from the basic graph, we can draw the function that given. Okay, step 3, okay, this is the importance of the boundary line. Okay, this is what we call the importance of boundary line. Okay, again, right, okay, okay, from the basic graph, okay, copy, alright, so we get, okay, this is what we call the importance of boundary line. Okay, we already draw basic graph of sine. Okay, and then okay, we erase and another long for x-axis. Okay, alright, so okay, now the amplitude is 3, positive 3, so the amplitude 3 and negative 3. Alright, pi, 2 pi, and the function of the boundary line is we draw another one complete circle. 1, 2. So after 2 pi, 3 pi, and after you finish another complete circle, please draw the boundary line as well. 4 pi. Okay, now everything is complete, but okay, there's complete circle 2x, meaning 2 complete circle. So the angle, because of 2 complete circles, so the angle you must divide by 2. Okay, so you will get pi over 2. Second one, so you will get pi, 3 pi over 2, and last one is 2 pi. So now, okay, so complete sketch 3 sine 2x. Okay, again, the importance of boundary line is you just copy. Okay, you just can copy the exactly one complete circle to the other one complete circle. So easy for you to sketch, okay, 2 complete circle. That is the function of boundary line. Okay, step 4. Okay, sketch y equals to modulus negative 3 sine x. Again, right, copy the basic graph. Okay, and then paste, and now okay, alright, this is basic graph for y equals to sine x. So y equals to sine x, and then the amplitude is 3, negative 3. Okay, what is the function of modulus? Modulus meaning all positive. So when the line in the negative, so you again you draw like this and erase, okay, the negative line. So this is Okay, the function, this is the sketch graph for the function when there is modulus. Again, from the basic graph, we can sketch any function, any sine x function, right? And step 5, okay, step 5, the difference is now the y-intercept is +1. Okay, so again, we copy the basic graph to this area as well as this area, so that we know. Okay, any sketching graph of trigonometric function is from the basic graph. It is the easiest way for you to sketch any function. Okay, and then okay, we already, alright, so as you can see, okay, this function sine 2x, that means we have to draw function sine 2x. Okay, and draw another one complete circle again. Yeah, and don't forget to draw boundary line 3 pi, 4 pi. Okay, and then divide by 2, all the angle divide by 2, so equals to 2 pi pi. And don't forget the amplitude is now 3, -3. Okay, alright, so you've finished function 3 sine 2x. Okay, what about +1? Okay, if +1, that means you add the amplitude +1, you add 1 to the amplitude. So now, as you can see, okay, you add the amplitude +1, 1 plus 0, 1 plus 3. So now it become now 4. Okay, here is 1, and now is this area is -2. Okay, and draw, okay, x-axis, alright, x-axis, okay, and the blue color line or is not an x-axis anymore. Now the x-axis is the green color, 0 here. Alright, so I suggest you to draw another what we call another sketching for graph for this function, so that it look nice. Alright, so as you can see, okay, this is line for 1, 0 and -2. Okay, so now we draw according to the graph that you sketch. Okay, from 1, okay, another one is 4. Alright, this is 4, amplitude 4. And now from 1. Okay, all right. Okay, now 1 is used to be x-axis. Okay, so 1. All right. Okay, 1 complete circle. Okay, and then one and another 1 complete circle, and okay, so this is nice one, the nice one. Okay, this is pi over 2 pi, 3 pi over 2, and 2 pi. Okay, amplitude now is become 4 and -2, and this is the y-intercept for the graph. Okay, all right. And then okay, y, this is for function y equals to 3 sine 2x plus 1. Okay, so now step 6. Okay, how about y equals to 3 sine 2x minus 1. Okay, so minus 1 meaning, okay, meaning all the graph, okay, is turned down, going down. Okay, for step 5, plus 1, that means all the graph is going up. And now for minus 1, all the graph will going down. Okay, so right, okay, for x-axis, all right. Okay, another 1 complete circle. Okay, 3 pi, 4 pi. Okay, complete sine 2x. Now amplitude 3 and -3. Okay, so now, okay, for the angle pi over 2. Okay, 2 pi over 2, 3 pi over 2, and 2 pi over 2 equals to 2 pi. Okay, and then okay, plus minus 1. Okay, now minus 1, so that means -1 plus 3, -1 plus 0, and -1 minus 3. So it become 2, -1, -4. Okay, so now, okay, the x-axis is not x-axis anymore. Okay, you can, okay, put any line for x-axis below -1. Oh, my bad, sorry. Okay, now 1, 2, 0, -1. Okay, this is line for -1. Okay, so x-axis now is up here. Okay, so again, okay, 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 the graph that we sketch actually as a reference so that you can draw nicely, right? Nice graph. Okay, x-axis 0, so -1 is here, -1 2 3. Okay, let's say this is -4 2 y-axis. Okay, so dotted line so that you can draw properly. Okay, let's see color. Let's start from -1 to 2. So draw -1 to 2, one complete circle. And for your information, line for x equals to -1 actually used to be x-axis. Okay, used to be x-axis, but now, okay, x-axis, and then right from here one complete circle. Okay, boundary line. Okay, second one like this, and one complete circle. Okay, so this is for line pi over 2, pi 3 pi over 2, and here 2 pi. Alright, sorry. Okay, so complete. So now you complete sketching. So y equals to 3 sine 2x minus 1. Okay, again, okay, -1 meaning all the graph going down, and +1 meaning, right, the graph going up, and here going down. Okay, thank you.